Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Today I want to talk with you about brown patch. It's the fall, and we will frequently see this disease crop up in St. Augustine and sometimes Zoysia lawns. And what that looks like is as the name describes, a patch that you start seeing appearing in the lawn, and that patch will gradually start getting a little bit bigger. Frequently, we'll see that in low-lying areas where the water kind of settles. It is triggered from a few things. It's triggered from overwatering. Sometimes that's because we're watering too much. Sometimes that's because because Mother Nature is watering too much. We're getting too much rain. When we have moderate temperatures, that's the ideal time for brown patch to start growing. I will see it more often if we've had a drought and the St. Augustine has gotten stressed, so that can be a trigger as well. And then the last thing is that if we have applied a fertilizer, a high nitrogen fertilizer to the lawn, we'd stop treating St. Augustine with high nitrogen somewhere around July to make sure that we're not risking triggering brown patch in the fall. If we see brown patch occurring, there are ways of preventing it by putting out a fungicide, and we can do that, and that most of the time will prevent it. If we actually see it occurring in a lawn that hasn't had the preventative put down, then we can also apply a fungicide. What will happen is it won't actually make the brown patch go away in the fall. The brown patch, that spot, will stay. It just isn't going to grow and expand. And then as time goes on, the lawn will go dormant and you're not going to see it. The disease doesn't really damage the lawn typically. It just kind of makes it look unsightly for a couple of months, and then it should go away. Sometimes we will see it reoccur again in the springtime, and so ideally we'll put a preventative down, or at least we'll watch for it, and again we'll treat it that time of year too. So that is frequently what we will see in the fall. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing trust.